welcome to another video by Fitness Technology Services. So today's video is going to be about if you're calibrating your unit and it fails, what to do, or at least what to start to do if you start to see the two dots going across your console when you're in calibration mode. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're just going to get on it and we're going to start it. Alright, so then we want to incline up. So we're going to press our incline up button. Look at that, it went from 1.5 directly to 10. Down to 9.5, and my incline is actually barely moved at all. What this normally is a sign of, either the incline switch itself, which is located right here on your incline motor. I'll show you that a little better when I get down to the incline motor. Either this has gone bad, this is really an information problem, or maybe the controller is not accepting the incline motor and it's gone bad, or in my case, because I know that I did this, the connection is bad. I did this on purpose because I just want to give you guys a good example of what this means. So the next habit normally is, you would say, I'm going to calibrate it. So we're going to press stop and speed off for calibration. And we are going to go to FP, as you've seen on my other videos. FP is when you're in the calibration mode. It could be EP, but most Nordic tracks use one or the other. Reebok, Proform, they're kind of all the same on that. So now we're going to give our calibration, our incline, a quick calibration and see what it does. So we get the two dots. The incline moves maybe 1 to 3 degrees, and that's it. So that means it's failed its calibration. We'll do it again. We'll try and calibrate it again. So something's lost in the information side of it. Goes up 1 or 2 degrees, goes back down, and then stops. So it's going to try again, and then back down. Alright? So it's not satisfied. It doesn't like the ranges that I'm telling it to go to, because it actually has no ranges. Alright? So in the next video I'm going to show you the connections down at the what'll be the other half of this video. So I'll be right with you guys, just give me 1 second. Alright guys, I'm back. Just needed to reset my camera angles and get situated. Alright, so according to the first half of this video, the incline's not working. It's doing what I call ghosting. It's going up a little bit, going down a little bit, and it's immediately going from 1.5 to 2 all the way up to 10 on the display, but the incline motor itself is not responding. Alright, so again, you have two choices on that. Either the switch itself inside the back of the incline motor has gone bad. I've had one viewer tell me hers just fell out, so she was just able to put that back in. So that's the best case of all scenarios, but that's what it looks like on the opposite side of the incline motor itself. On mine, I know that I don't have the incline switch plugged in too deeply. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, let's see, I think you can see that. I'm going to reseat these wires. So I'm pretty sure they're well connected. Then I'm going to plug them into where they go on the control board. This is where the incline sensor goes. You can see that. It's a little better, easier to see on my little incline sitting here. But you can see that it just fits right into the incline port. Alright? Then we're going to go back up, and if needed, we're going to recalibrate it. But really, probably not. I bet you we'll just be able to turn it on and use it. Alright, so let me get this out the way so it doesn't slide when I get down. Again, thanks for viewing. I will see you again on the top side in just 1 sec. Thanks. Alright, so here we go. I'm back on the top side of the machine. As you can see, the console's completely off. going to put my key in. I'm going to get the same dotted lights, and it's going to do it automatically. Because it never satisfied itself when I was trying to calibrate it before. It only goes going up and down. So we'll let this thing go all the way up, all the way down. I'm pretty sure it's going to work. So I guess I'll go ahead and talk for a couple of seconds. I just want to say thank you again. I really appreciate all the support I've got. I'm going to try and come up with as many repair videos for you guys as I possibly can. And let's get our machines working. All right.